My name is Alvin Dore, and I've been with Laurel Ridge for about 2 years now. Really took a liking to the welding program that they have, and I plan to be here quite a while more. I've been around the world, pipeline welding, welding in refineries, welded on, oil rigs and things like that. 37 years of welding in the industry. It's pretty much full circle to me, Now, it's to take the knowledge that I've learned over the many years that I've had and just pass it on to the next generation. The three that we offer right now is a stick welding and wire welding and gas tungsten welding. The stick welding is probably the most versatile. The environmentals on it are very forgiving. Probably one of the first courses that you're going to learn as a entry-level student coming into the welding program. Your productive welding in shops, and when you get into these production shops, is more of a wire welding. You're really concentrating on high level and high integrity welds. That's more of a gas tungsten welding. We'll start it off with a bunch of lecture on the front end, just to kind of talk about the processes and kind of get that expectation. Once we kind of get into things to where you kind of understand what's going on in the shop, then I'll kind of back off a little bit and just let you work at your own pace. The homework is very important. You got to put the time in. Trust me when I tell you, I know when you're putting the time in because I see your progress. The more time you put into it, the more you're going to get out of it. And I'm going to tell you, you got to be here on time. You got to come on time, because everything from, the minute we start as a group, and a lot of things we cover are going to be vocal and verbal. I just want to take it to the next level in Laurel Ridge and just kind of push those boundaries. Things like that are really out there. We talk about them. And there are welders that come through this shop, I'm gonna tell you, it's like they go so fast, at their own pace. They're in an F1 position. Next week they're in an F2 position, an F3 position. You show them once, they got it, they master it. I'm just like blown away. If you want a good career, you just come on in here and get it, and we definitely will teach you how.